The meaning of the Oriki Adisa is very profound. I like that Oriki so much because when you understand it, all you are going to see is the level of intentionality that goes to the naming of a child by the Yoruba people. You are just left with no other choice but to just praise our ancestors. Let us quickly break it down. The name Adisa, there are two main words there, the verbs di and sa. I start with di. That word means to tie something. Tá bá di nǹkan, it means we have binded that thing. To make something bound. To tie a thing very firmly and tight. That is di. Now, what is sa? It has many meanings, but the one opposite to our analysis is the one that means to run away. Ọmọ náà ti sálọ. The child has run away. Mo fẹ́ sáré jẹun. I want to quickly eat as if I'm running. So let us bring it all together. What is the meaning of Adisa? The A that starts that name is a noun maker whose meaning can be said to be he who or the child who. The child who shall do what? Adisa is a child who, even though he is tied down, will always break free and run away. Ọmọ tá ò lè rí dì mọ́lẹ̀ là ń pè ní Adisa. Kò ṣeé mú so mọ́lẹ̀ bí ẹran léyá. Ọmọ tó ṣe wípé ọ̀tá rẹ̀ ò ní mú, wọn ò ní rí dì. Tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ rí dì gan, yóò padà sá mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ ni. The imagery is that of a strong person that has been tied down by his detractors, by his enemies. That strong person now breaks himself free and escapes. That is the meaning of Adisa. This Oriki is given to a child expected to be very strong. Adisa are actually always very stubborn, very headstrong. They are called koronjongbon. Ọmọ líle ni wọ́n, ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ líle tí wọ́n jẹ́ pàápàá jùlọ fáwọn ọ̀tá ni. Nítorí koronjongbon l'Adisa ń ṣe lójú ọlọ̀tẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n lójú ìyá rẹ̀, ọmọ rírọ̀ ni. Ọmọlúàbí ní í ṣe. Soft and tender in the presence of his mother, but koronjongbon hard as a rock in the face of his foes. This child will not be held bound against his will. Nothing shall hold Adisa prisoner against the will of his Ẹlẹ́dàá. Adisa shall always break free. Adi ṣùgbọ́n padà sá ni. It has very similar meanings with the name Adio, ọmọ tí ò ṣe mú so mọ́lẹ̀ bí ẹran iléyá. That is the meaning of Adisa. Wàá Ṣere.